For 50 years, Sign Resource has become the brand that you can go and trust with your brand. We're the most vertically integrated sign company in the US. My name is Scott Van Ness. I've been in the president and CEO role since 2007. I lead this company, lead the growth of this company, part of a great team here, and it's what makes Sign Resource great. And over the last 15 years, we've evolved to really being one of the household names, if you will, in the sign business, growing to top 4 or 5 in our industry, managing full breadth of products, full turnkey solutions. Number one thing our customers want is one-stop shop. We used to kind of wait for our customers to do the preliminary work, find out what they wanted, evaluate their options, evaluate cost, and then place an order. Today, they give us an address and we take the whole process off of them. We manage the survey process, we manage the permitting, we manage weights and measures issues with gas stations especially, which those weights and measures concerns are not something you're going to find at a local city. And it's really significant in our name is our job is to provide additional resources, provide additional graphics resources, provide additional labor in the factory so that we can reduce lead times for our customers' needs, provide more project management that would be focused on their needs and their projects. We're not only just a sign company anymore, but we're a total image provider for the whole exterior image of our customer. All of the manufacturing processes that go into exterior imaging, we manufacture in-house. We even develop the products all the way down to the decals on the buttons for gas. All of the decoration and the valance treatment for a dispenser or a fuel pump that would be commonly referred to, down to the trash cans, the squeegees, all of those service items which end up having brand identity to them. We manage that and we police that. We have a few customers where we're the sole source that we handle all of their image needs. That is real partnership, and our customers then look to us as a partner. They count on us to manage their image. They count on us to grow their business. So I think of our complete product offering and consulting attitude towards customers, and to really put our customers' interest ahead of revenue, customers' interest ahead of profitability, making sure we always put our customers' interest first. We're not there to sell you something. We're there to provide a solution. So first-time quality is from the beginning of an order, from the beginning of a quote, all the way through delivering an installed image. And we go through every aspect of our delivery and every aspect of a healthy business. We have a history of taking care of our customers. We value our customers. We really partner ourselves with the best companies in the world, with 3M, with GE, with Daktronics. The warranty that comes from us is also partnering with warranties that come from them. But the best warranty in the world is also how you respond, right? Your warranty is only as good as the response time when you need to call on it, right? We want to perform our due diligence and root cause analysis. We really don't want to be counting on anomalies in our business. We really feel like we can go solve every problem. What we want to do is offer you what a full-service sign company and image company can do for you, that truly wants to partner with you, that truly wants to put your needs first, and will even work along your incumbent supplier. We really feel like you should explore what Sign Resource can do and experience the people and the process and the manufacturing quality and the total service and the total priority that your business means to us.